you guys, I am going to do a video showing where I got some of my items. So let me just start over with this. I got this mirror from Ross. I forgot how much it was. I think it was like 25 bucks. Then I got this from Dee Dee's discount. $3, literally $3. I got this right here, this cubicle for my girl Trish. So free 99 because she just gifted it to me. Then I got this from IKEA, as well as those over here in my seating areas from IKEA. That is from Ross. And then these are from IKEA, these gold shelves. That is from my friend Trish. She gifted me that as well. And that pineapple. She's always buying me stuff. And then I got this Trust Your Journey from Marshall's, I believe. And then I got this little time capsule from Ross. And yeah, so yeah. And then I got this from Ross as well. These right there from Dee Dee's discount. I got this cart from Michael's, and then the owner already gave us one included. So I got that holds all my products. But at the same time, I got this also from Ross.
I got this grass wall from Amazon, as well as this LED light of a woman's body form. But yeah, it's super great quality. I love how the wall turned out.
So I got this from my local esthetician store. So this is from H&A Supply. So this is where my facial sponges are, cotton balls, and then this is I got this from Target. This is just hand sanitizer, and this is aloe vera gel. And then I got these from the same thing, the H&A Supply. And this is my wax stick, and then these are 4x4 cotton squares, excuse me. I got these from Amazon.
Okay, so you guys, update. I ended up finding this 3-drawer, this wide diamond cart drawer set. It has wheels, but I do not have the wheels. The wheels got left at Walmart, I guess, or in my trunk, so I'm gonna look for those. But yeah, so I put my towel warmer on top. Yeah, so I like it. Got it from Walmart. Okay, so back over here, I know I already showed you guys the seating area, but I got this oil diffuser from Target. So I just wanted to show that. I think that is super, super cute. This is from, hold on, let me focus. This is so cute. It is a wallflower from Bath & Body Works. I am super, super obsessed. Smells super good. I love it. But yeah. Ring light from Amazon. So yeah, you guys, that is my room. I hope you guys enjoyed the room tour. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to see more of me. And I'm out, y'all.